this week has been crazy. I've had like 3 different plans with 2 different people just get canceled this week alone. Like today is finally the day of the Gemini full moon. It'll be exact, like later tonight, like around 11 p.m. But I feel like we're already feeling it. Like everything is just crazy. Last night I ended up meeting a friend like at 11 at night randomly. And yesterday was a Tuesday. We found like one place that was open till 3 a.m. I just went there and talked because basically they have like a lot of crazy stuff going on in their life. And like last week for me was pretty explosive. I mean, we also have some crazy things going off Mars, but mine was like slap a bitch explosive, like literally. I don't know, there's just like a lot of endings and new beginnings and just, I don't know, just insane stuff happening right now. It's crazy. So right now I have to figure out if I just want to wear this to sweat in. I have to meet the personal trainer for leg day today, which is going to hurt a lot, but it needs to be done. So yeah, I'll probably, I don't know, change out of this. It's just when I go to the gym I get so sweaty, like everything will be soaked, underwear, socks, and afterwards like my skin looks like amazing, like just so bright. And I don't know, it's just like a glutathione thing. When you sweat a lot or if you do aerobic activity, like anything that gets your heart rate up, I don't know, your skin just looks amazing afterwards. So we'll see how that goes. So I just changed into this shirt because it's like I feel like I'm cold right now, but also I'm about to go get really disgusting. I need to figure out a small snack. But's trying to get there. Yeah, today he's gonna have me do legs, so I'm going to try to stretch out at home so I am not hurting too bad once I get there. But yeah, I feel like this week has just been insane. Oh, we have orange nails. They are my sacral chakra nails. I was actually reminded of them by the red nail theory, which is just basically the theory that wearing red nails, you know, reminds men of like their moms and their grandmas, and that you will get just more compliments on red nails, and basically it will help you, I guess, with the male gaze. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. To be honest, I see like a lot of people, like even like young people, if I don't know, like sometimes I feel like the red nails like make them look like literally like it'll age their hands. Like it literally looks like it's on the hand of like someone like in their like 50s or something. I don't know. But also I think it's the way they're cut. Some like if they look too claw-like and they're red, I don't know, it just looks too grandma-ish. It's just a thing. I guess not everyone can pull off red, but orange, it's more sacral chakra, and it reminds me of my sister. She would get like neon orange, and she would always get so many compliments like by men and women alike. And so I don't know, I just feel whenever your chakra is activated, it just helps just 100% in like being receptive to new people, relationships, just like everything. And of course your sensuality and sexuality. So yeah, we're rocking orange nails. Ugh, this is hard to stretch and vlog. So before I go, I'm going to eat something really small. I've been getting these little things from Sam's Club. They are little oat bites, and this flavor, it's like an apple cinnamon, like sadly it was like a limited time flavor, but I think they're gonna bring back like mixed berry or something. But these are so freaking good, especially if you're about to go work out. Eating these in the morning or right before you work out, it's like I feel like it gives me like a burst of energy, because basically it's just like a carb bomb. So it's like 27 grams of carbs in it, and it just fuels your workout. Which carbs, for anyone who's like building any type of muscle, this basically is what gives your body energy, and it actually will make your muscles larger. Right now, if you guys, Patreon is basically getting like basically what my personal trainer has me hitting for like how much protein he wants me to hit, how many calories, macros, and basically just like what I should eat to reach my goals. Right now I'm kind of in a deficit because I had like a lot of weight that I wanted to lose. I have about 15 pounds to lose. For right now I'm like 6 pounds through, so it's like I'm almost there. But yeah, once I lose that weight, because it's mostly fat, then I'll basically build it back up and make muscle. So when I make muscle, what I'm eating is gonna have to change, meaning that I'm gonna have to get even more carbs than I'm getting right now. But anyone knows, if you want to build a butt, you have to eat like a lot of carbs. Like I said, right now I'm not eating enough carbs to like build a dump truck or anything. It's just basically enough to help grow some muscle but lose the fat. But once I lose most of like all of like the fat and stuff, then we will get into dump truck making. Yo, I just had like the worst workout ever. Like I was doing like the barbell back squats and I went down and like I could not get back up. Like I couldn't get the bar back up. Thankfully, like my trainer was spotting me, so like he, you know, pulled the bar off of me and re-racked it. But holy crap! And then I was like all dizzy. I had to sit down. It was just like so embarrassing. Like I think I set myself up because last night, like my friend was having an emergency, so we met like literally like at 11 after they got off work, and I took Adderall to keep me awake because usually like I go to sleep early. Like I like my 8 to 9 hours. Well, I took Adderall like around 8 to stay up, you know, until 11, because then I knew like we'd be out like, you know, late. So I got back home like around 2:30 a.m. and like I had some drinks, so that didn't help. And holy crap! Then today, like I ate that little thing, which usually like once I've had like a proper meal, obviously no Adderall. Like I've never actually worked out after taking Adderall like the day before. Now I know like my body does not like it. Like I just feel so weak. But anywho, like yeah, usually like that little bite, like whatever that thing's called, the oat bite, is like fine. But nah, today like I should have ate like a full breakfast and gave myself some type of fuel, because like it's carbs that help you actually like lift and like have like a good workout, like if you're lifting weights, that is. So yeah, I finished my hour worth of legs and lifting, and I usually do cardio. I had no energy for cardio. I'm gonna go home and get sleep because I'm dead. Finally made it back to my bed. I'm so tired. I ate the toast. I need to finish the 2 eggs and then my protein shake. So yeah, breakfast so far I think has been about, I'll have to look at the MyFitnessPal app and get all the stats. But yeah, so far I just feel drained. Last night was a bad idea. It's a really bad idea. Yeah. I totally had to, it's crazy, like I only lifted weights, but I was like so sweaty and gross. Like it's crazy because like my trainer was telling me that you burn more fat lifting weights than you do doing cardio, which is crazy to me. But then the more like I research, the more that I'm learning that yeah, lifting weights burns more fat. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna get big. Like people only get bulky if they're actually eating like a surplus of calories. So that's like more calories than your body is used to eating. But right now I'm just working out, lose the weight, and then I'll worry about putting on more muscle mass, especially for, you know, the butt. It's like so funny because out of all the research that I do, like a lot of people are like, yeah, my dump truck didn't come in until I started like what's it called, not cutting but bulking. So anywho, I'm gonna finish my food and then take a nap. So nap did not happen. I made these kind of sad tacos. I have to basically see how much protein and all the good stuff that's in it, but yeah, today has just been difficult. It's been so difficult. I just want to sleep. I'm still running off of like 3.5 hours of sleep from last night. I want it to be over.